What's up, friends? I'm Alex with Stucco Done Right. Look, I want to show you something. We're doing window cutouts. We did window cutouts on this house because they're replacing all of the windows on the main floor and a few doors and stuff like that. Well, and a door in the basement. So that's what we're doing. But anyhow, I want to show you, look, for example, that bottom door right there. We did the cutout, as you can see, nice and straight. We shock lined that thing so we don't have a hard time trying to patch it back together. And then the window guys also did an outstanding job installing the ice and water shield around the door, so that's great. And then our guys come out here and then they installed on top of their ice and water shield, we installed our Stucco stop there, and then an additional ice and water shield. And then to top it off, we sealed that ice between the, we leave a 3/8 gap. We installed back a rod. And then we have the metal flashing cocked against the window frame. So that's a perfect seal. The caulking looks kind of crappy there, but doesn't matter because everything's gonna get covered and then it's gonna get resealed. So that's kind of what we do to take extra caution to prevent water from filtering. We're gonna be, once we do that, we're gonna be resurfacing this whole house. So it's gonna change the color. We're gonna do like a light white, can't remember the name, but it's gonna be like the color of this fence, and it's gonna have the same texture. So we'll keep you posted. Here on this door, they had like a single door and like a little window, and this just to give you an idea what can be done when you're replacing it, when you're replacing the doors and stuff. They had like a single main door with a window here, and it was an all right setting, I guess. But this customer, this homeowner, just wanted a slider, so they went out there and cut beyond that. And as you, here, this is where the window would end. See, this is where the band was. So now we need to remove this band so we can make it out here, because we cannot make this big old band like the way it is. So that's kind of what we do. It's not a modification of the wall, but in the way it is, but it's just working around what they left us. So that's it. Well, come on, let's show you what the guys are doing over here. Careful, what's your step? Yeah, this is another one that it's a little more advanced. Again, we have the metal sealed, and then over that we're installing the styrofoam. You can see the lath. We're using the same lath that came from here, and now we're gonna install corner right there. I'm sorry, it's not the same lath. We're using another strip. And then we're gonna use a corner right there, and then we're gonna resurface this with fiberglass mesh to prevent a crack along this cold joint. Because otherwise, if you do it there and you patch it, you're gonna have a crack along there. So you just want to resurface it. Let's go over here and check out what these guys are doing. So they're setting up the scaffold, but that window right there, that one's finished. It has corner aid around it. I'm gonna zoom in like this. The corner aid's already finished around it, and that's basically what they're getting ready to install brown coat around that window and just synthetic base coat fiberglass mesh embedded over the whole wall. Alrighty, folks. Well, that's it. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.